Hello everyone. I have an exciting package here to unbox, and it has quite the story behind it. If you follow me on AGIG and watch my stories, you'll know. Because I was posting about this forever, for like 2 days, in horrific fear that she was just gonna be gone forever. I got one of my dream dolls that I have wanted since she came out, and I'm so excited to get her open! I see her book already. Opening up. Guesses if you don't know. But it's supposed to be a mini-me. So yet again, guesses. Who do you think is my mini-me? You'll never say her because she's just too beautiful to be me. The spoiler. Blair. Not new, used, of course, out of box and all, but yes. The bag of accessories and her meat outfit. And then her. Oh, they put a little Ziploc baggie over her head to maintain it. That's so sweet. You like how I unboxed it, like I was taking off the hairnet? Yeah, her limbs are loose, I knew that. But like, it's okay. She has also some staining on her legs. And they said she has like a stain on her body, but I'm not seeing that. I guess maybe, like, over here, but like, who cares? Feel the wig. It doesn't look to be cut at all. Looks really nice. Her face is beautiful. I am just obsessed with this doll. Okay, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna clean her up a little bit and come back and show you. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna brush her hair out. I decided you probably want to see that. Might as well. Alright, I have gotten her hair all brushed out. Her part is all fixed. Her hair is very soft, you guys, and it's like not cut anywhere. There are some split ends in the back, but that's to be expected. This was owned by a child, presumably. But yeah, no, the front of her hair is absolutely gorgeous. The back is the most that's suffering, and even that it's still, like, it's still some really nice quality hair. It just needs a good wash. Maybe a curler set, and it'll be beautiful. The doll herself is gorgeous. Her only flaws are that she has a small cut on the back of her leg, and she has some staining on the back of her leg from pants. But like, who cares? Who cares? Who cares? She's beautiful. Her ears are not pierced. I think I might get them pierced next week when I go to AG Dallas. So watch out for a vlog. TBH. Anywho, now that I have assessed the doll and decided she's beautiful, I shall open up her accessories and clothing. So now we're getting into her little meat outfit and accessory bag. I didn't want my address to be shown. All right, the outfit. I can't believe she came with her meat dress, no stains, no tears, like the threads aren't even like lifting anywhere. Beautiful. She came with her little undies, of course. I hate these. American Girl, bring back the quality underwear. Like, what? These are like disgusting. American Girl's old underwear literally felt like mini pairs of underwear. the best part. Her shoes! They are so freaking cute. I am obsessed. All right. And now for the most shocking part of this haul. I got this all for $60. It came with our accessories too. They're not complete, but they come with a lot of her accessories. So it comes with the little clipboard, has a little AG star on it, comes with the little iPad and the little like stylus that's in the iPad. I don't have any of these like American Girl iPads, so I've never seen one of these before. I'm trying to pull the stylus out. Okay, so it comes with a little stylus, and then it comes with the little screen inserts, and I believe all of them are here. We have the front and back of that one, and then there is also this one that you can slide in. Like, oh my gosh. Then we also have this one, and it's very cute. And then there's also another side, and it's just a little flower search. She's looking for party dresses. Use your little stylus. The buttons don't press in, which is extremely disappointing. Wow, American Girl. Shouldn't be surprised when these are the underwear, but whatever. And it came with the bag, of course. Her bag is so cute. It says homegrown. There's like a little flower that goes in here, and I want it so bad. So cute. And these straps are like real leather, which is really cute and nice. And the little iPad has like a kickstand on it, so she can set it up and do her business. Do the business. Then we got the lamb on the clipboard. Yeah. So cute. So cute. Alright. Now we're gonna dress her in her accessories and her outfit. My queen. We're so cute together. You're my twin, girl. All right, y'all. So now we're getting to the fun part of the video where I'm going to be fixing Blair up and cleaning her off. So first we're just gonna take her dress back off. Today we're gonna try to give my Blair some freckles and some blushing. And I wanted to give you guys a little insight on how I do that. So first I'm just putting my colored pencils, I'm putting my paintbrushes in a cup of water to get them wet. And then I'm taking some watercolor brushes. So first I'm going to be going in with the blushing because that's what I'm more confident with. I've never really done the freckles with the colored pencils. So yeah, I'm just basically going to be rubbing my wet brush right on the colored pencil and getting that pigment on my brush. And I also have this sponge in hand. Right. And now we paint. Wanted to come back and do a little update outro type deal just to show you me and my mini me Miss Blair. So I'm renaming her Honey Marin, Marin for short. Here she is with her beautiful face paint. We look a lot alike now, I think, and I am obsessed, very obsessed. Oh my goodness. And here's Tangy. Anywho, thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial useful, and that's all. Bye.